So, kebabs. You all might all have heard about it. There are various types of kebabs such as hara bhara kebab, chicken kebab, mutton kebab, chicken seekh kebab, and all of that. But have you ever heard soya kebabs and soyabean being the ultimate substitute for chicken for vegetarians? So we are going to make soyabean kebabs. Now thinking of that might be a little, unusual, but the taste is going to be perfect and spot on. Now without wasting time, guys, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. तो guys, मैं पिछले संडे वीडियो अपलोड नहीं कर पाया और जैसा आपको पता है मैं फ्राइडे उसको शूट करता हूँ और फ्राइडे को मैं अपनी नानी के घर पे था, मतलब फैमिली टाइम गुजारने के लिए. तो मन नहीं किया कि वीडियो शूट करते, तो आज टाइम मिला है वीडियो शूट करने का और वीडियो अपलोड करने का. चलिए फटाफट इंग्रेडिएंट्स देखते हैं, फटाफट रेसिपी बनाते हैं. सो फॉर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स यू नीड दिस सोयाबीन. आई हैव टेकन 1 cup of सोयाबीन, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स सोयाबीन के कबाब बन रहे. देन आई हैव टेकन 2 onions, 9 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 4 green chillies, coriander, at least 2 tablespoons of maida, and I have taken corn flour, Garam Masala, Coriander Powder, haldi, red chilli powder. So let's start with it. So guys, as you can see, I am boiling this soyabean. So now let us wait until the soyabean gets boiled and softened. So guys, as you can see, I have boiled the soyabean and it has got pretty soft to grind. Okay, and we are going to grind the rest of the ingredients, which are onion, coriander, green chilies, garlic and ginger. So let me add it in the mixer, then we are going to grind it. So see guys, I have prepared the paste of soyabean and all of the ingredients. Now it's time to add the masalas. So first I am going to add salt into it. Now it's time to add the haldi. The red chilli powder, now the coriander powder, now the garam masala, now it's time to add the maida and the corn flour. So guys, before adding the maida and corn flour, it is according to the consistency of the paste. If it is a bit dry, then you need to add less maida and corn flour, and if it is too wet, then you can add extra. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maida. Now 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So again, I'm going to mix this. Guys, just one advice, that if you want to give it a red color or an orangish color, then you can add Kashmiri red chilli powder. Since I didn't add it, so I'm not added it right now. So guys, now I'm going to prepare the kebabs in this kebab shape. So let me take this. Guys, there's one thing that you all can make it with seek to give it a perfect shape, but I wanted to try something new. So I found a method with pencils, so I'm trying that. There is one thing, if you all are trying with the pencil, then you all need to take out the pencil very carefully. Okay. So now let me add this in the kadai. Then I'm going to fry this on medium flame. So guys, I'm going to fry this one. Then the preferable thing would be that you also take one more person with you all who can one could make and one could fry the kebabs. Okay. So now after this I'm going to take the help of my mother. So let us wait until it gets fried. So guys, अभी मेरे कबाब्स रेडी है और मैंने एक सैम्पल कबाब ट्राई किया था. वो इतना अच्छा टेस्ट कर रहा था, मतलब शादियों में जैसे मिलते हैं ना वैसा एकदम ऑथेंटिक. तो अभी आप ये रेसिपी ट्राई करो और मेरे को बताओ कमेंट सेक्शन में आपको कैसी लगी. और साथ में लाइक करो वीडियो को, शेयर करो और सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को. तब तक के लिए अलविदा.